Hello, today we will guide you through how to complete KYC in XM. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to access the verification area in your XM account and continue with the identity verification process, also known as KYC. KYC stands for Know Your Customer, and it's a standard step used by financial platforms to confirm your identity and help keep your account secure. To begin, open XM in your browser and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on the platform, give yourself a moment to confirm that the page has fully loaded so all account options are visible. Next, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll find your profile account area. Click on your profile account to open the account menu. If you don't immediately see the option you need, pause for a moment and let the drop-down expand fully before continuing. From that menu, select Verification. This will take you to the section of the platform where XM handles account confirmation and identity checks. The verification area is important because it's where you'll be guided through the requirements needed to activate or fully confirm your account. Once you are on the verification page, follow the on-screen procedure exactly as it appears. XM may ask you to confirm details, verify your phone, or submit supporting information depending on your account, status, and region. Read each instruction carefully before moving to the next screen and make sure the information you enter matches your official documents. As you complete the process, it's a good idea to double-check all entries for accuracy. Small mistakes like a typo in personal information or uploading unclear details can slow down approval. If the platform asks for a code or confirmation step, complete it directly on the screen and wait for the next prompt. If any document upload or confirmation screen appears, make sure everything is clear, valid, and easy to read before submitting. Also, avoid refreshing the page while a verification step is in progress unless the platform specifically tells you to do so. After you finish the on-screen verification procedure, XM will usually review the submission and update your account status once the check is complete. Processing times can vary, so if approval is not immediate, simply allow some time for review. That's it. You've now seen how to access the KYC section in XM and follow the verification process through to submission.